Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MR English Diaries, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia.
Hello, everyone watching.
It's great to be here again.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to MR English Diaries and click the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Right?
That's right. Grab your notebook, relax, and practice with us today.
Today's topic is very useful for beginners. We're going to learn how to answer the question, "Tell me about yourself."
One of the most common questions in English conversations, Gato, in class, at work, or when meeting someone new.
Okay, I'll start. My name is John. I'm from Canada, and I live in Toronto, a big and beautiful city.
I'm 29 years old, and I work as an English teacher. I love my job because I get to meet students from all over the world.
That's wonderful, John.
Yeah.
You make learning English fun and simple.
Thank you.
Now my turn. My name is Olivia, and I'm from the United States of America. I live in Washington, D.C., the capital city of the USA. I'm 26 years old, and I'm a graphic design student. I love art, creativity, and colorful things.
That's so cool, Olivia.
Huh?
You must be very creative.
I'm so derhoede. You must be very creative. Let's talk about family. John, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger sister named Emma. She's a music student, and she plays the piano beautifully.
Wow, that's amazing. My family is small. I have one brother, Jake. And he's older than me and works as a chef. He makes the best pasta.
Lucky you. I love pasta.
Speaking of food, my favorite is pizza. Fun. Especially vegetable pizza with cheese and tomatoes.
Yum!
My favorite is pasta, dough. I could eat it every day. What do you like to do in your free time, John? Bill.
I like playing soccer on weekends and listening to rock music.
I love painting and watching movies, especially animated ones. They're full of imagination and color.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comments below and write 2 or 3 sentences about yourself. We'll read your comments and maybe feature them in our next video.
Remember, ProSec, keep your answers simple, clear, and friendly. You don't have to say everything, just what's most natural for the situation.
Thank you all for watching and learning with us today. Keep practicing. Faho, English gets easier every day. Yes.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep watching MR English Diaries. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.